Welcome to the project demonstration of flexible AC transmission using Thyristor Switch Capacitor. So in this project we are using PIC microcontroller, LCD display and switch, inductive load, thyristor board and rectifier, zero crossing detector and transformer, and also using AC load with a AC bulb and also using capacitor. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply that will be given to this rectifier. At the same time it is giving the connection to the CT transformer. Then it will calculate the current voltages at the same time. So we can see this using this CT transformer, this zero crossing detector will be detect the current values. So we are giving the power supply to the rectifier. At the same time we are giving to the CT power supply, and rectifier converts AC to DC power. That DC is equals to 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller just it have only 5 volts of power supply, so it required only 5 volts of power supply. It doesn't require more than 5 volts or less than 5 volts. So it will works on exactly 5 volts of power supply. That's why we have used here this rectifier. And also we can see here we can see a thyristor board is connected with the capacitor, and if any inductive load will be detected, then thyristor will be get switched on using this PIC microcontroller. So PIC microcontroller generally read the input from the zero crossing detector. So if the input signal is good, then it will be not give signal to the thyristor board. If the input signal is varying, then it will give the signal to the thyristor board. So generally this zero crossing detector will detect the current values using this step using this CT transformer. The CT transformer give the power supply to this rectifier. The rectifier converts AC to DC, so that digital values will be read by this PIC microcontroller. So generally this aim of this project is it will be increase the it will correct the power factor using the Thyristor Switch Capacitor principle. So in a general form, so if the power factor will be decreases due to inductive load, so if we add the capacitor to that power supply, then the power factor will be improved. So in the power factor we know that voltage and current have a phase angle between with the cos theta. In a cos 0 is equals to so cos 0 value is equals to 1, so it will maintain the power factor up to 1. So if it is less than 1, then which means this power factor get, so that power factor may be not good. So if it is 1 or less than 0.95, it is good. So or less than 9.72 is a low power factor. In order to improve the power factor, we are using this capacitor. So the readings will be given to this PIC microcontroller, then it will calculate the power factor and it will send to the signal to the thyristor. Then thyristor switch on the capacitor, and whenever then power factor will be improved. In normal condition, I will show you. So this is the normal condition. We not adding inductive load to the power supply, so we can see the power factor 0.92 is lagging. Now if I add the inductive load to the power supply, then the power factor will be decreased. And also in a normal condition, the capacitor will not attach to the main power supply. So if we add the load to, inductive load to the power supply, so we can see. So here we can see power factor decrease 0.78. So here we can see 0.95, it is lagging. So is the leading power factor, it is decreasing the power factor and it is increasing the power factor. So it will show the display with the delay function. So here we can see, so this is the leading power factor, we can see 0.95. Now if the thyristor board gets switched on, then it will show the value as a 0.95. In a normal condition, we can see it will show continue 0.95 value. So we can see here. So it doesn't change. If we add the inductive load, so we can see power factor decreased and also it will show the, if the capacitor will be added, then it will show 0.98 power factor improvement. So now here we can see it is showing the power factor improvement, and also it will showing the power factor decrement up to this value. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.